Hi, good afternoon. This Six Sigma Pharma Secret Sauce. Myself, Rameshwar Sharma Vedula. Let us dive in to understand what is Six Sigma and what it has to do with pharma. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology focused on eliminating defects and improving processes. Achieve near perfection by reducing variations and eliminating defects in processes. Core principles: define the problem and the project goals. Measure key aspects of the process. Analyze data in identify root causes of defects. Improve the process by implementing solutions. Control the process to ensure sustained improvements. Benefits of the Six Sigma implementation: enhanced quality and efficiency, cost savings and improved productivity, improved customer satisfaction. Six Sigma implementation: define, measure, analyze, design, and verify. DMADV in short. Clearly define the goals of the new process or product, focusing on customer needs and requirements. Measure and identify key aspects and critical factors relevant to the new process or product. Analyze the collected data to develop design alternatives and identify the best design that meets customer needs. Design the new process or product, focusing on details, optimizing the design, and planning for implementation. Verify the design by testing and validating it against customers' needs and requirements to ensure it meets the desired quality standards. Benefits of Six Sigma implementation: structured approach to creating new processes or products, enhanced quality and reliability, improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Key roles in Six Sigma: green belts, black belt, and master black belt. The positions will help in implementing the Green Six Sigma in any organization. Green belts support Six Sigma projects part-time while maintaining regular job responsibilities. Green belts assist with data collection and analysis, implement Six Sigma tools and techniques, lead smaller projects or contribute to larger ones. Work under the guidance of black belts and master black belts. What is the role of black belts? Black belts lead Six Sigma projects full-time and drive process improvement initiatives. Responsibilities of black belts: manage and lead project teams, apply Six Sigma methodology to solve complex problems, train and master green belts, train and mentor green belts, ensure project goals align with organizational objectives. Master black belts serve as Six Sigma experts and advisors, providing strategic guidance and oversight. Responsibilities of Master Black Belt: mentor and coach black belts and green belts, develop and maintain Six Sigma training programs, lead high impact projects and strategic initiatives, ensure the overall success of the Six Sigma program within the organization. How this Six Sigma will be applied in API manufacturing, let us see. API manufacturing involves various processes like chemical synthesis, purification, drying, and milling. Each of these steps requires careful monitoring and control to ensure safety and quality. Six Sigma is applied through the API manufacturing process. For instance, reducing variability in reaction condition to ensure consistent product quality. Optimizing filtration and crystallization process to remove impurities. Ensure uniform drying and particle size distribution. Consider a case study where a pharmaceutical company used Six Sigma to reduce defects in their active pharmaceutical ingredient manufacturing processes. By analyzing the data, they identified a bottleneck in the purification stage and implemented process improvements, resulting in a 30% reduction in defects and significant increase in production efficiency. Quality improvement. By identifying and eliminating defects, Six Sigma ensures high quality products. Consistent process leads to consistent product quality, which is crucial for patient safety. Efficiency gains. Eliminating waste in process leads to cost savings and more efficient production. Improved process can increase production capacity without compromising quality. Regulatory compliance. Meeting standards. Six Sigma helps companies meet stringent regulatory standards, ensuring compliance with good manufacturing practices. Challenges in implementation. Implementing Six Sigma can be complex and requires significant investment in training and resources. Employees may resist changes to established process, making implementation a challenging. Common mistakes. Failing to thoroughly analyze the data can lead to ineffective solutions. Without strong commitment from leadership, Six Sigma initiatives may falter. Without strong commitment from leadership, Six Sigma initiatives may falter. Consequences of poor implementation. Poor implementation can result in minimal improvement or even negative impacts on production. Significant time and resources can be wasted if Six Sigma projects are not properly managed. To ensure the effectiveness of Six Sigma, a continuous improvement strategy is essential. Plan, do, act, check. Plan, do, act, check. PDCA cycle. The PDA cycle involves planning the Six Sigma process, implementing it, checking its effectiveness, and acting on areas for improvement. Involving employees in the Six Sigma process helps in identifying potential issues and developing effective solutions. Regular training and awareness programs ensure that employees are well informed about Six Sigma and its benefits. Using data to monitor performance helps in identifying areas for improvement and making informed decisions. Advanced monitoring systems and automation enhance the effectiveness of Six Sigma for better control over the manufacturing process. To wrap up, Six Sigma is a powerful tool for improving efficiency and quality in active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturing. While there are challenges in implementing it, a continuous improvement strategy can help overcome these hurdles and enhance overall production. Stay safe and see you next time. Thank you.